Welcome to qnawire.
Hi, this is problem 20 of chapter 5, section 2. In this problem, we want to look at the probability distribution of the sum of two rolled dice. So whenever we roll two dice, we'll just take the sum of their two face values, and we want to know the mean, variance, and standard deviation of this distribution. So right here, I've already laid out a table of all the possible dice outcomes. So for instance, if we roll a 4 and a 3, we'll have a sum of 7. If we roll a 6 and a 6, we'll have a sum of 12. And I've also broken this table down over here into the sums and the frequencies that the sums show up in. So for instance, if two dice have a sum of 6, that's going to happen about 5 times. Likewise, if they have a sum of 12, that's going to happen once, 6 and 6. So what we can do is with this is first notice that there are a total of 36 possible outcomes here. And we know the frequency of each of these sums here. So in order to get a probability distribution, we can go ahead and modify our frequency table and make it a probability table simply by taking these frequencies and dividing it by 36, the total number of outcomes. So for instance, there's a 1 out of 36 probability that the sum of two dice is going to be 2. We can do this for all of the rest of them as well. So this is going to be 1 over 18. Here we're going to have a 1 over 12 and a 1 over 9, 5 over 36, and a 1 over 6. And this basically just repeats in reverse order. So 5 over 36 and 1 over 9, 1 over 12, 1 over 18, and 1 over 36. And this is our probability distribution. So what we can do with this is now we can find our mean, variance, and standard deviation. So let's go ahead and find our mean first. Oops, that's not very good. There we go. So our mean mu is just going to be equal to 2 times 1 over 36 plus 3 times 1 over 18 plus 4 times 1 over 12. I'm going to go ahead and skip to the end here, plus 12 times 1 over 36. And this is going to give us a mean of exactly 7. So the sum of two dice on average is going to be 7. We can grab our variance as well. That's going to be 2 squared times 1 over 36 plus 3 squared times 1 over 18 plus 4 squared times 1 over 12. Once again, I'll skip to the end here. Plus 12 squared times 1 over 36. And don't forget to subtract off 7 squared. So we'll get a variance of 5.833 repeating. And of course, we can grab our standard deviation just by taking the square root of 5.833. And we see we get a standard deviation equal to 2.415. And that is the probability distribution and the mean, variance, and standard deviation of the data. Thank you.